Welcome to another video on this channel. Today I'll show you how to make these irresistible butter biscuits. They go perfectly with tea. For that, add 150 gram room temperature butter. Now soften it with a whisk. Add 100 grams powdered sugar. Mix them well together. Add 1 egg. Mix everything together. Now sieve 250 grams all-purpose flour and 10 grams starch. Put the mixture in a piping bag. And make some forms. Bake them for 15 minutes for 180 degrees.